Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Today we are looking at a first look of a game that Jeff got, who's off camera right here, and had shipped to the club. This is a very interesting game. What year is this game?
1956.
1956, a Bally balls-a-poppin. And what's special about this game?
It has up to a 9-ball multi-ball, and it is a 2-player game.
2-player, 9-ball multi-ball. So where did you get this? You got it off of the internet and had it shipped down here?
Yeah, from Pinside.
Off Pinside. And what state would this come from?
Oh, I don't remember.
Okay, so unfortunately, this is the way it came to us, right? The glass is
The glass, yeah.
And let's take a quick look at this. I guess you filed a claim with the shipping company.
Yes.
And hopefully they will make good on that.
It's got wooden legs that mount on the side of the cabinet.
Mm-hmm. These wooden legs are right over there. We'll be putting them on in a minute. And there's one on top of the cabinet right
so
there.
So they don't mount on the corners like traditional.
All right, so let's start dealing with this, I guess, right? We've got to see what condition this actually is in. Now, when you bought it, did they say it was working? I mean, what did they say about the condition of the game?
No, it was not sold as a working game, but
bring that box over here.
It was a nice looking game, both inside and out.
Did you get any information on what was wrong with it? This looks like this is a new piece of glass too.
Was, yeah.
Wow. At least it's not a tempered piece of glass. Otherwise it'd be Brazilian pieces. So heavy glass.
Yeah.
And the shipping people just kind of looked at it and went, yeah, like they knew about it. Didn't say anything.
Well, fortunately, we have a before picture of the game when it was shipped.
That's going to be a little precarious. So, it looks like this back glass is just a little too perfect. Is it a repro?
I don't think it's a repro.
Really? That's original?
I mean, a repro from BG Resto would be worth more than I even paid for this game.
Well, I've never seen a back glass that looks that nice, though. I mean, it looks. I mean, of course, it's not backlit, but look at that. I can't find.
No, it's a good glass.
I can't find any flaking on it.
I mean, there's a little bit down where you can't really see. BG Resto has done this game, so you can actually get a glass for it that wouldn't cost a fortune. Yeah, this is an odd-sized playfield glass, isn't it?
Is it? Is it non-standard?
You know.
Let's take a look. So here's a standard piece right here. So let's just hold it up and see if we're dealing with something that's. Oh shoot! You're right. Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay. That is definitely a non-standard piece of glass. And I've got a piece of wide body glass here that's probably way too wide for it. So, okay, well, it looks like a lot about this game is non-standard. The legs are not interchangeable with any other.
No.
I wonder, there's a series of other Bally's that were like this, or is this one somewhat unique?
Oh, I don't know. When you read about the game, they do call it a wide body.
Interesting.
But I think a traditional wide body glass would be too wide.
So this thing really did a number on this poor plastic.
Yeah. The plastics were actually good.
pretty rare on these. I think they use some kind of vegetable oil-based plastic that tended to kind of just, start to decompose. You can feel it's all really
the nice
soft.
thing as we reproduce these is there's not that many plastics.
Yeah, and I think this is a good example of where we can probably reproduce these plastics fairly easy. The design's not too difficult.
You know, one thing that makes this game interesting, if you go and look at people playing it, is it's got 2 sets of slingshots, and that makes the game move really fast.
And during multi-ball, if you shoot the ball up in here, then it keeps kicking the balls out.
Well, what happens is you can advance the multi-ball up to 6.
Oh, so I got it. So
And then when you get it in the hole, the balls start coming out of here. But even while multi-ball is going on, you can still advance the ball counter, and you can basically end up with up to 9 balls on the playfield. Yeah, we're going to need a vacuum.
all right, I can do that.
It's streaming live.
Oh, it is? You got it working?
Yeah.
Is it through your phone?
It is, yeah.
Okay.
Did I just smash?
No, it was when we delivered it.
No,
So there we have it, and you can see they also painted the cabinet. You can see little bits of what the paint was underneath it, and
yeah, the paint was your more traditional.
you can even see it sticking out a
Multi-diamond color,
little bit through there on the sides. So we'll tear this game open and we'll take a look at it. So this is just part 1 of it. I'm not gonna keep the camera on while we vacuum it, but there you go. So stay tuned for more.